Hi, my name's Mark Hewitt. I'm President and CEO of EQengineered. We started EQengineered in 2017 to help enterprises deliver digital solutions with empathy and emotion for their customers. This involves both internal customers or employees and external customers to deliver a human experience. All of our enterprise clients are undertaking digital transformation, and for us that involves three core areas. One, the modernization of applications and technology. Two, the adoption and adherence to cross-departmental Agile practice to increase velocity and productivity of results. And three, the discovery of new business models. This might be something as simple as a platform that increases the total addressable market served, or the development of self-service for particular customer audiences. EQengineered is a team of practitioner consultants that integrate with our clients as partners to both model and coach the behaviors that are required to deliver successful digital transformation results. If you're looking for a digital consulting partner that can align with your needs and team, please reach out to me directly. We'd love to help you develop resilience and adapt to the changes in today's digital marketplace. Thank you.